this video I will show you how you can craft such a peeler adapter for your Swiss Army knife. So stay tuned if this sounds interesting for you. Hello YouTube, welcome to another Swiss Army knife tip and trick video. 5 years ago I uploaded a video where I showed you how you can craft an adapter for a vegetable and fruit peeler for a 91mm knife. The cutting edge from the peeler was the cutting edge of the 91mm blade, and the guidance rod I made from a little stick. So this project looked like this. Yes, basically, this peeler worked surprisingly well. The only annoying point was that it get often clogged between guidance rod and cutting edge from the shavings if you didn't shave carefully. For 1 potato or 5 carrots, doesn't matter. But if you have to peel a lot, this is really annoying, and that's why I was looking for a better solution. Recently I saw another solution how you can turn a Swiss Army knife cutting edge into a peeler. I saw this inspiration on the YouTube channel of my friend Davide Calvaruso. He runs the survival and bushcraft YouTube channel Explorer Wolf. The link to his channel you find here and in the description box below. So on this video which I saw recently, Davide presented such a from knife to peeler adapter which you can buy on different internet shops. And this adapter is not expensive, this is not the problem. The problem is this adapter is too big for Swiss Army knives. Because this adapter is intended for kitchen knives and not for Swiss Army knives. So the only Swiss Army knives which are big enough that this adapter fits are the 130mm Ranger models. So here is the comparison of the size to a 91mm model. So if you want to have such a peeler adapter for your 111mm knife or for your 91mm knife, you have to craft it by yourself. And in the next some minutes I will show you an easy way how you can do that. All you need for this project is a 10cm piece of wooden slat or wooden board, a drilling machine with an 8mm drill and 2 M8 screws or something similar in diameter in inch, 2 little nails and 20cm of an iron wire. So in this case I will craft an adapter for a 91mm knife. The first step is I draw in a distance of about 45mm. Second step is I make 2 8mm holes with the distance from 45mm. So now in these 2 holes I put in the screws. So in the next step I take the wire. In my case this is a 1.4mm wire. And from this wire I take 20 centimeters. And I draw in about the center after 10 centimeters. So now I bend it as straight as possible. and I put it on the wooden block. I take the two little nails, and now I have to hammer in the nails like this, that the wire gets jammed. For that, I hold the wire and make two marks here, and here the second one. So I take out the screws and hammer in the nails. Now I put back the screws. The middle point, the 10 cm mark of the wire, should be in the center between the two screws. Like this. So now I take one end and bend it to the other side like this. Then I take the other end and bend it back to the first end like this. Then I take out the first screw. So, take the end on this side and bend it twice, 1, 2, around the screw. So then I take out the first screw on the left side, and now I bend around 2 times the end of the wire of the other side. So now it looks like this. So if you have a little vise, you can flatten the spirals a little bit. So now I cut away the protruding ends. And now the adapter is done. In preparation to this video, I made a lot of such adapters, and let me tell you my thoughts about which wire is the best. So, this adapter I made from a 1.2 mm wire, and this is too soft, you can bend it super easy, so it doesn't work well. This adapter was made from a 2.5 mm wire, and this wire is too strong to bend, so it doesn't really work well. This is a 1.4 mm wire, and yes, this 1.4 mm wire works quite well. And this is a 2 mm wire, a plasticized 2 mm wire, and it's also okay. Maybe for the big ones, perfect. The advantage from the plasticized adapters is that it holds very well on the side flats of the blade, so don't slip away. So the steel ones, it works, but they don't hold very well. So you can push this down super easy. That's why the mix between these two wires, so 1.4 or 1.5 mm plasticized, would be the best for a 91 mm knife. Maybe for a bigger knife, the 2 mm wire, the plasticized 2 mm wire is the best choice. Such an adapter gives you different options to work with. So if you put the knife blade in the first turn, like this, you have a small distance between the guidance rod and the cutting edge, and this is perfect for peeling something. And you can peel away from you, like this, or you can turn the adapter on the other side, like this, and now you can peel against you. Both is possible, just choose the direction with which you have the better feeling. Now you can make the same in the second turn. So now push the blade in the second turn. Now you have the bigger distance between the guidance rod and the cutting edge. Now you can produce slices. For example, if you want to make a salad. So like this. So my friends, I hope this was an interesting project for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in 2 weeks. Tschüss.